Our third measure of central tendency in this video. The first two we looked at were mean and median, and central tendency sounds complicated, but all it is the set. You consider the set and you're thinking about where it centers essentially. That's all we're saying. So you can see that the mean, the way we calculate that, gives you a point near the middle. The median obviously gives you a point in the middle, and the mode often the mode will be near the average. If you're rolling or if you're doing some experiment and there's an average value, you expect to be near that average quite a lot. And we'll see this when we explain what the mode is. So mode is the most common value. Right, so that's all that means. Okay, and the most common one is just it's exactly what it says on the tin. It's the number that appears most times. Okay, so in the data set, 2, 3, 2, 1, 5, 3, 8, 2. Well, we've got 1, 2, 3 twos, 2 3, 1 everything else. So 2 is mode. Right, now what I want to do is I want to give a data set and I'm going to find the mean, the median, and the mode and see how close they are. This set is going to be the number of goals scored by players on a full team in a season. So we've got 11 data sets, let's say. First guy gets 0, then we get someone with 4, someone scored 6, someone's got 7, so that's 5 bits of data. Then we have someone on 8, another one on 4, 3. Okay, now we'll just do 3 more, and then these guys, one's got 12, one's got 8, one's got 17. Okay, so if we look at the mode here, well, we've got 2 4s, and we've also got 2 8s, so our modes, I guess, are 4 and 8. So there's the same amount of both of those. Okay, so that's pretty easy. Modes often the easiest one to calculate because you just read it off the graph. And to find the median, remember we have to put them in order. So here, so we get 0, 2, 3, 4, and remember if the thing appears twice, you have to put it twice. 6, 7, 8, 12, and 17. Okay, then we cross out. And this is a bit of a tedious watch, I do understand that. So the median. Right, and you can see here the median happens to be in the middle of the two modes, and that doesn't always happen, but the point I'm making here is that both of these measures of central tendency give a similar idea of the middle of the data, okay? And finally, the mean, that's equal to 0 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 8 plus 12 plus 17. And I think we have 11 points, but I'll just check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that's over 11. No one's going to expect you to do that in your head, so I'll just grab my calculator. And, I mean, you could do it in your head, but it takes a bit long. So 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 12 plus 17 over 11. And that gives, you couldn't do it in your head, so I was wrong. I meant you could add things on the top of your head, but not do the division. That's equal to 6.5 essentially. Okay, but that's just one decimal place. Again, this gives you a similar idea of the center of the data, the middle of the data, of the average you can see of the data. So the other two measures of average. So mode, the key takeaways from this video are mode, median, and mean are measures of central tendency. And we also looked at the range in the first video on this channel, and the range is a measure of spread. So if the exam asks you give an example of a measure of spread, you'd say the range. Give an example of a measure of central tendency, you give one of these. Equivalent, if it said give a measure of average, maybe you could put one of these too. And hopefully you know how to calculate all these things as well. In the next video, we're going to finish off our little section on stats for now, and we're going to look at outliers, okay, and how to factor outliers into these things, and what outliers are, which is nice and simple. So I hope to see you in that video.